Awesome. Well, I'm Ken from Galaxy Burgers, and we're just a small food truck that's coming up in the GTA. I based this food truck off of Kirby, you know, the video game character.
Okay.
It's a big pink truck, and he's from space, and this truck's big and pink, and it's from space too.
Got it.
Crash landed here, and now I'm slinging the best burgers in town. So today we're gonna make our flagship burger, the Galaxy Burger. That's truffle mayo, crispy onions, caramelized onions, lettuce, and tomato. All right, so we start with our ground chuck, fresh, never frozen, on the grill. Give that a good press. And a twist.
Press and the twist. Is that your?
That's my secret method. Yeah. Then we're gonna hit it. Some of our Stardust. All right, now that that's going, we're gonna get our bun on. Bun down. So our crispy onion, they're made with rice flour. So everything's gluten-free.
So you gonna throw that in the deep fryer?
Yeah. Not that long. I'd say a good like 30, 40 seconds. By the time you can see the burgers now. You see they start getting that, the liquid starts coming up.
Yeah.
That's how you know it's ready to go.
Okay.
Now let me try to flip one. Oh,
Ah.
that's better. Cheddar cheese. Just a little more seasoning. And then let that melt down.
Okay. Okay.
Onions are looking nice. I want them to be a little bit brown. Now we got some of our caramelized onions. Put a little bit on there. Yeah. So I just made this burger out of necessity because I've always wanted a burger like this.
Right.
And it hasn't existed.
Okay.
Right? I love like just straight up just onions on burgers. It's just delicious. I think this is that.
This is it.
Alrighty. So this is our truffle mayo.
Truffle mayo.
We make all of our sauces in-house.
Okay.
A generous amount on the top and the bottom. Cool. Our pickles, we also make these in-house. 4 of those. A couple slices of tomatoes on the top. We come with our burgers. 1, 2. We're on top of that. Woo. Woo. Looking nice. We top that with some lettuce. And then our crispy onions are on top of that.
So we'll grab the crispy onions right now.
This is the Galaxy Burger.
Galaxy Burger. All right. I'm gonna put the camera down because this looks like it's about to be a mission for me right now.
Enjoy. Let's go. How is it?
It's a burger. It's a burger, bro. Crispy onions on top. They always are. Ooh! You got something here, man.
Thank you.
This is proper. Galaxy Burgers. Okay, so right now you're in Hamilton.
We're in Hamilton for the rest of the year.
The rest of the year? Yeah.
If we do any special events, we'll be at those special events. But like as of now, we're just gonna stick to Hamilton. But next year, try to catch us at every major festival.